Here are my problems with this drone. I own many drones, and here this drone just arrived, and I tried to calibrate it compass on this drone. One problem right now, as I can see, it will not lock into any satellites. I've tried 2 days to try to get this thing to lock in a satellite. Then I don't get any information. Now it wants me to do a compass calibration, so it will do the horizontal uh, calibration. You'll see here as I turn it. Okay, but this is the one it won't do, the vertical. No matter how many times I turn the drone, it will not do this calibration at all. And I tried 2 days thinking maybe a low battery, but it will not calibrate on a vertical calibration, and it will never pick up satellites. So this drone's useless to me right now. It is useless. It's a nice looking drone, but it is useless to me right now, this drone. Please send me another drone, and I'll send this one back to you, because I have no use for it. Again, it will not, the problem is it will not calibrate on a vertical compass calibration, nor will it pick up any satellites at all. So please send me a new drone. I'll send this one back, the whole thing, and I'll be happy. But right now I'm very dissatisfied with this product. And really, so that is the problem I have with this drone. Thank you.